Want to turn your stock market dreams into reality? Whether you're just starting or trying to level up your investing game, I'm sharing 10 secret tips today that could be your game changer. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to make smarter and more successful investments. Let's dive in. Investing in the stock market can feel intimidating, right? But guess what? You don't need a degree in finance or a crystal ball to succeed. All you need are the right strategies, a bit of discipline, and of course knowledge. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 tried and true tips that can help you grow your wealth, avoid costly mistakes, and build a portfolio you're proud of. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Set clear goals. Why are you investing? Is it for a dream house, retirement, or just to grow your wealth? Setting clear goals gives you direction. Without a goal, you're like a ship without a compass. So, write them down and make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 2. Educate yourself before you jump in. Take the time to learn. Study the basics of how the stock market works, what stocks and ETFs are, and the risks involved. There are free resources online, like beginner-friendly courses, books, and videos like this one. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. 3. Start small and stay consistent. You don't need a fortune to begin investing. Start with what you can afford, even if it's just $50 or $100 a month. The key is consistency. Regular contributions, even small ones, can lead to big results thanks to compound growth. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Ever heard the phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? Diversification is crucial. Spread your investments across different sectors, industries, or even asset types. This way, if one stock underperforms, others can balance it out. 5. Understand your risk tolerance. Are you a risk taker or more cautious? Knowing your risk tolerance helps you choose the right investments. High-risk stocks might offer big rewards, but come with greater risks. If you're not comfortable with that, stick to safer options like index funds. 6. Don't time the market trying to guess the perfect time to buy or sell. The losing game. Instead, focus on time in the market. Long-term investing has proven to be far more effective than short-term speculation. 7. Keep emotions in check. Market drops can be scary, but don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Successful investors stay calm, stick to their plan, and avoid knee-jerk reactions. Remember, the market has historically always bounced back. 8. Regularly review your portfolio. Your investments need attention. Set aside time every 6 months or annually to review your portfolio. Are your stocks performing as expected? Do you need to rebalance? Small adjustments can make a big difference. 9. Stay updated, but avoid overloading. Staying informed about market trends is important, but don't overwhelm yourself. Avoid checking your portfolio every hour. It's counterproductive and stressful. Balance is key. 10. Think long-term. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. True wealth comes from patience and time. Think 5, 10, or even 20 years ahead. The longer you stay invested, the greater your potential returns. There you have it, 10 secret tips to help you invest smarter and more confidently. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that simplify investing for you. Until next time, happy investing, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. Make it count.